Hello, this is James Smith at GannAnalysis.net. Today I want to talk about Ethereum. You can see back in 2018, you had this high in January, pretty decent pullback. And this one, the more recent high here in November of 2021, looks like a far bigger correction, but this is a linear chart. If you adjust it, using a log chart, you see that this was actually a bigger pullback than the more recent one. So the false perception you get from linear charts is that this was no big deal, this was far bigger. But log chart shows you that it's really not as big as what we had in 2018. So if you think about that logically, if this correction matches this one from a log perspective, then maybe there's more downside because this doesn't look as big as this. So going back to the chart, even though on a linear chart it looks far bigger than this one, it's actually not. If you do it on a log basis, it gives you a truer perspective. Now, if you do want to know where it's going to bottom, when it's going to bottom, and entry point is important because you've had a huge pullback, but maybe there's more downside. If you want to know where it's likely to bottom and when you should get in, that's why we use Gann. So right now, if you go to the website, you click www.gannanalysis.net, and then once you get there, you go to the shop button, and that'll take you to this page. So normally it's $200, but if you type in this code KQ7J692N and update the cart and then hit proceed, you'll see that it'll change, and you'll get the coupon, and it'll reduce the price to $144. We're doing that in honor of Gann's 144th birthday. It just came due last month on June 6th. We're extending the promotion. I want more people to take advantage of this promotion. This applies to new clients, and for your first 3 months, I want you to give it a try. So I'm cutting the price, so it gives you an incentive to give it a whirl. And if you like it, I'm hoping you'll continue even after the price goes up in the future to 200, back to the normal rate. But for new clients, we want you to try it. Now is a perfect time to try it because it's not just about Ether, it's about everything else. If we go back here to the About page, this is the page you see when you log on, and then you click on the shop button to get to that payments section. But let's just show you a couple of things. Here are some recent reports: S&P, dollar, Ethereum, S&P, NYMEX, crude. We cover a range of markets, and here's a list of the categories. Now, if there's something that you don't see in this list that you want us to cover, well, when you become a client, you just tell me what you want covered. We'll cover it for you. If we can get a data stream on the market that you're interested in, and we get most everything, then we can cover Brent crude futures, corn, 10-year note futures, yield basis, or the treasury bond price terms. Whatever you want, we'll try to do it for you. Even lumber, natural gas futures, nickel, palladium, platinum. We've covered a lot of these different things. So if you don't see it here, just tell us what it is, and we'll try to cover it for you. We even did the Turkish lira, and then you'll have a chance in 3 months to really get a feel for what the service is all about. And the other thing to note here, we do Gann tutorials. This one you can access for free. How to square the range by price and time applied to euro sterling. That just, click on it, check it out, see what you think. But we also do a range of videos with most every report that we do. So if I were to click on this, you would see, just like this one here, you've got, it says screencast.com and a number. You click on that link and you get a 12-minute video on euro sterling. In almost all of our reports, we have a video to explain the concepts. So it gives you detailed understanding of the Gann charts, and you don't have to sit there and wonder, well, I don't understand these Gann charts. Well, that's why we do the video. We don't just give you the text. We actually explain the charts with a video. So if you think that's worth it, just try it for 3 months and see how it goes. I think you won't be disappointed, because now more than ever you want to know what the Gann charts are saying. I'm telling you, there's a lot of interesting things. I don't care if you're into stocks, bonds, forex, commodities, or even crypto. There's huge turns coming for a range of markets. You want to know when they're going to top and bottom, and you want to know at what price. So that's what Gann is all about, time and price. When they come together, they're in balance, and then you get a reversal in trend. So if that interests you, give it a try. Hit that shop button. Go over here to hit the shop button. And then 3-month trial subscription. Don't forget the code, as I just mentioned, right here. Let me bring it up for you again. There it is right there, KQ7J692N. You punch that in here, update, and then you'll see the price will drop. Of course, I've got 2 in there now. We'll update. You only need to buy 1. So basically, we're back to 144 in honor of W.D. Gann's 144th birthday. He was born in 1878, June 6th, and just about a month ago, a little over a month ago, was his 144th birthday. And for those of you who know something about Gann, you know how important 144 is. I think, in a funny kind of way, this is the rebirth of Gann, because a lot of people are showing more interest in Gann now than ever, because it is firing on all cylinders. Trust me, you are going to want to see these charts. There's a lot of interesting stuff to show you. Good luck in your trading. I hope you take advantage of this deal. It's not going to last forever, but it's here now.